Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find the fuses and the relays for O2 sensor, bank 1, sensor 1 and O2 sensor, bank 1, sensor 2. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find these fuses and relays on that generation Jeep Cherokee from year 2014 to year 2023. By the way, if you need to buy guys any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, O2 sensor, bank 1, sensor 1 refers to the sensor O2 sensor before the catalytic converter. We'll have a video how to test that one. It's known as a upstream oxygen sensor, upstream O2 sensor. The O2 sensor, bank 1, sensor 2 is downstream oxygen sensor. That's the one after the catalytic converter. We'll have a video how to test that one as well. Check it out. But let's explain the fuses and the relays now. Quick advice guys, there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee that most owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee fuse box location and diagram. Check it out guys, very helpful video. We need to open the hood and facing the engine now here. Okay, I want to show you. Facing your engine, that's the engine on the right side, that's the driver's side of the car, you have the main engine fuse box. Press the tabs together, lift the cover up and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Guys, here there will be very limited information now, but before we start, you see guys that engine, if you have that 2.4 multi-air engine, we'll have more than 200 free repair videos replacing almost anything you can think on it guys, and we made those videos to save you a lot of money. Let's go back to the fuses now. We need to check all major engine management fuses. You may have some of them or all of them depending on which engine and year model you have, but you need to check fuse number 7, fuse number 8, fuse number 10, fuse number 16. Also consider checking fuse 21 here guys. Here you see these two relays, between them you have fuse number 13, you need to check that one. We didn't do a good job taking a picture of it, but it's between the two relays. Fuse number 30, that's double fuse, micro 3-blade fuse, you need to check that one. Next you will need to consider checking guys fuse number 59 and fuse number 83 right here. Now this will need to be checked. Now relays, you don't have any relays guys, okay? The relay function is controlled by the engine computer for these oxygen sensors, so you may need to check the relays for the engine computer. We'll have the video on the channel if you need help with that on your Jeep Cherokee. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.